Where it's a duck shape. I will take the green color, make the clones of the duck. So, and these clones will make a sequence there. So we have to use that sequence here. Create an angle. Keep using the design. Explore the different options. Now we have to generate another design. So there we are. I will use the paint over it. Use an eraser tool over that surface. It's looking fascinating here.